Question for you. What if everything you've built in your career wasn't the finish line, but the starting point? What if your experience, your network, and your insight could become something bigger, something that creates impact, income, and legacy on your terms? And what if you didn't have to build it alone? Hi, I'm Ron Salazar, CEO of MR2 Solutions, where we pioneered technology brokerage as a service. It is a framework designed to help organizations make smarter, more strategic technology decisions. I'm also the founder of the CTL Network, a community built to elevate IT and business leaders beyond their roles into trusted technology executive advisors and mentors. Our mission is to create a platform where experienced leaders can turn their knowledge into impact, guiding others, building meaningful practices, and contributing to a community of elevated professionals striving to become ambassadors of leadership, innovation, and lasting value. Introducing the CTL Ambassador Program, a next-generation platform designed for accomplished IT and business leaders who are ready to turn their expertise into impact, influence, and income. This isn't traditional consulting. This is a complete ecosystem built to help you launch and scale your own advisory practice with the structure, support, and resources most leaders never have. As a CTL ambassador, you lead your own peer advisory group, mentor executives, and facilitate high-value discussions that solve real business challenges. But what truly sets this program apart is what's behind you. You gain access to marketing and lead generation support, including curated events, marketing campaigns, workshop deployment, and personal brand development. A full back office team, access to subject matter experts, technology advisors, marketing, and support staff operating as your extended resources. Ongoing technology enablement, training across key domains like AI, cloud, cybersecurity, CX, networking, application development, and much more. Access to a powerful TBaaS framework, giving you a structured, proven way to deliver value to clients. A digital platform and community to grow your network, influence, and opportunities. And financially, this model is designed for scale. From advisory engagements to revenue share and referral income, you're no longer limited by billable hours. You're building multiple streams of income. Most consultants struggle with pipeline, marketing, and scale. This ambassador program solves all that, giving you a ready-made business model designed to accelerate growth while reducing risk. If you've been thinking about building something of your own, a consulting practice, a leadership platform, a legacy, this is your opportunity to do it with the right foundation behind you. Join the CTL Ambassador Program and start building a business that reflects your experience, your network, and your vision. Because the real question isn't whether you have the experience. The question is, are you ready to turn that experience into something that scales, something that impacts others, and something that lasts? Reach out, let's have a conversation and explore the art of possible.